How to set a keyboard shortcut or hotkey for speech recognition anywhere. Speech Recognition Anywhere is a browser extension that allows you to use your voice to control the internet or to type documents or fill out forms on the internet using your voice. You can get Speech Recognition Anywhere at the Chrome Web Store. In this tutorial, you will learn how to start and stop speech recognition anywhere with the click of a button, how to set a keyboard shortcut or hotkey for speech recognition anywhere, and how to set a voice shortcut to start and stop speech recognition. To enable these settings, you will need to purchase the full edition of Speech Recognition Anywhere. How to start and stop speech recognition anywhere with the click of a button. Start speech recognition anywhere by clicking on its icon in the browser toolbar. Go to the Speech Recognition Anywhere tab and click on Settings. Check the box for Start in the background and check the box for click extension icon a second time to close the extension. Now close the tab. Now if you're filling out a form or a document on the internet, you can click on the Speech Recognition Anywhere icon in the toolbar. Now everything you say will be typed into the text box. Then you can click on the icon a second time to turn it off. How to set a keyboard shortcut or hotkey for Speech Recognition Anywhere. Start Speech Recognition Anywhere by clicking on its icon in the toolbar. Go to its tab and click on Settings. Make sure that Start in the background is checked, and make sure that click extension icon a second time to close the extension is checked. Over on the right, click on Chrome Extensions/Shortcuts. Look for Speech Recognition Anywhere in the list and look for Start/Stop under it. Click on the pencil icon to edit the keyboard shortcut, and then you can type a keyboard shortcut, but it has to be in combination with either the Control key or the Alt key to work. So you can type a keyboard combination such as Control-Shift-5. Now close that tab and close the Speech Recognition Anywhere tab. If you're filling out a form on a website or writing a document, you can type the keyboard shortcut combination such as Control-Shift-5. Now everything you say will be typed into the box. And then you can turn it off by typing Control-Shift-5. How to set a voice shortcut to start and stop speech recognition. If you have the Speech Recognition tab open by clicking on the Speech Recognition Anywhere icon and going, it can be open in the background or you can be at its tab, but let's say it's open in the background, and you can say Disable Dictation. Now it won't type what you say on the screen, but you can still say voice commands such as go to docs.google.com. click on Blank Document. But it won't type anything that you say on the screen because dictation is off. You can say, Enable dictation. Now everything you say will be typed into the text box. Disable dictation. Now dictation is disabled and nothing you say will be typed into the text box. But what if you want to start and stop speech recognition with a voice shortcut, and you want both dictation and voice commands to be disabled until you enable them? For that, you will need to create a custom command. First, start speech recognition anywhere by clicking on its icon in the browser toolbar. Go to its tab, scroll down, and click on Custom Commands. Click on Add, and type in for the phrase Start Speech Recognition. For the action, type in toggle_voice_commands, open parenthesis on, close parenthesis, semicolon, space, dictation, open parenthesis on, close parenthesis. Click on Add to create a second voice command. For the phrase, type in Stop Speech Recognition. For the action, type in toggle_voice_commands, open parenthesis off, close parenthesis, semicolon, space, dictation, open parenthesis, off, close parenthesis. So now, if you say, stop speech recognition, now you can see that voice commands are disabled and speech to text or dictation is also disabled. So nothing will be typed into the boxes that we say. But you can go to any website, or you can fill out a document such as at Google Docs, and then you can say, Start speech recognition. Now everything you say will be typed into the box.